So what I would do is lower the stereo spread and increase the volume. Let me show you.
I keep counting 1, 2, 3, shut your mouth and dance with me. I keep counting 1, 2, 3, shut your mouth and dance with me. I keep counting 1, 2, 3, shut your mouth and dance with me. I keep counting 1, 2, 3, shut your mouth and dance with me.
That's a really important fix. So this meter is important. It's your phasing meter. You've probably seen it once or twice in plugins. Very easy to read. You need to stay above 0, where 0 is completely in the middle and where +1 is as wide as you can go. -1 is completely out of phase. If you are in this area, yeah, you're overdoing it. So make sure that you stay in this area and you'll be good to go.